I'm ready to go home, smoke a bowl, and get freaky with this one. Monday, May 18th, day, I think somewhere around 78 of the quarantine, and more importantly, it's day number 6 for the Long Beach Cleanup Project Challenge thing that I still didn't name. Today I have me some company, this sexy little vixen over here, who decided to kill a cheetah before she came. A moment of silence for that cheetah. And we're gonna start right at the beginning. Oh, I just hit the back of my leg. That didn't feel good. Oh, I'm sorry to whoever I've ever done that to. Doesn't feel good. All right, so we're gonna start at the beginning part of the beach here and work our way towards Cherry and just see what we can accomplish. The goal, as always, when there's 2 of us, is 5 bags. Let's get her done. First bag is done. She's heavy, she's full, and we ain't even close to being done.
Damn, son, where'd you find them? Damn, son, where'd you find them?
All right, bag number 3 in the books. About to be in the books. One of these days I'll have to come down and simply just sift and see how many microplastics I can get. It's time consuming, but as you can see, every little sift you're picking out plastic here, plastic there. It's pretty awful. Pretty awful. Well, don't look now. actually look now. We're at 4 bags. Bag number 4. So both cameras died right as we were throwing the trash out. So who knows if we got that footage or not. All right, that was day 6. We completed 5 bags. Pretty good. We didn't even do that big of an area, but we got a lot done. I'm ready to go home, smoke a bowl, and get freaky with this one. Until tomorrow, this has been the Long Beach cleaning project something. I don't know. We'll see you tomorrow.